Hi everyone, Deb here. I am doing a call for collaborators. For those of you that have followed me for any time, you know that last year, and I think the year before, I used to do a collab called Embellishments on the 11th, and I'm going to resurrect that for the remainder of the year starting in July. So it'll be once a month on the 11th, and we'll post at noon Eastern. Now I'm going to make this a hybrid collab, and what I mean by that is I would like to have at least 5 participants that regularly post, so that I can know that there's some audience besides just myself posting each month for the collab. And then I'm also going to use the hashtag embellishments on the 11th. I might put a 2022 behind it because I think I was using that before too, so that if anyone would like to follow along, I mean join in, but maybe not on a regular basis, just want to do it once in a while, or want to do it every month but afraid to commit and just would like to use the hashtag, that's okay too. But what I'm asking for today is a call for collaborators for the regular listing, which I'll link the channels for every month below my video, and the other participants will link those as well. So if you are interested in being one of the regular participants, embellishments on the 11th, no theme, you can make anything. For example, I'm just going to pull out some recent cards I did. You could just make a bunch of flowering rain boots if you wanted to. That's an embellishment. You could make a bunch of flowers. These are stamped ones. You could, this is a bad example, but you could make like a bunch of these little pieces, 3x4s of your own, and then get them ready to use on a card. You could, no, it's not a good example, or that one. You could stamp and die cut a bunch of garden tools. You could stamp and color a bunch of things and, you know, make some little embellishments out of it. You could do flowers, paper piece something, you know, just those are some ideas. And then I actually had made this for a scrapped treasures. You could use your scraps, and like maybe this piece here, that would be an embellishment. It's got hearts and die cuts and embossing and things. Even this is a little embellishment. I sometimes have trouble making embellishments. Another thing you could do, I should go back on that. I sometimes have trouble making embellishments where I don't have a purpose or a theme. Like I don't know the card I'm going to be making. And then you have to figure out how to store them too, which is another topic. You could get out a punch. Like I have this turtle builder punch, which is retiring, I believe, if it didn't already. But I'm keeping it. And you could make a bunch of little turtles. There is a stamp set, which I'll show you not this week, but probably next week. Or maybe I'll do these for embellishments on the 11th for July. I don't think so. I think I'm going to do this before that. I have something else in mind for July's embellishments. But anyway, you get the idea. So if you're interested, I'm going to leave my email down below. I would prefer that you email me at dahliadesigns57@gmail.com. It will be in the description below, and let me know that you're interested. I'm going to be accepting people through next Friday, so I'll leave it for 1 week. I think that's the 24th. And excuse me, and then depending on how many people I get or not, I'll come back and let you know whether it's an official collab or whether we're just going to have an open collab with just me and people participating. I think I have one person already interested. I was just chatting via email with the other day. So I'm hoping we get some more. I know there are other embellishment collabs out there, but they are weekly. I can't commit to weekly every week. I can commit to once a month, and I thought, why not resurrect my old collab, embellishments on the 11th, and I'll welcome anyone to it that would like to do it. I would just ask that if you sign up please be able to commit for July, August, September, October, November, and December, 6 months. And then we'll see what we want to do for 2023 or not. It seemed to be a pretty popular collaboration last year and the year before, so I'm hoping that some people want to join. And use your scraps to make stuff, guys. I have lots of scraps, let me just put it that way. Lots of old designer paper scraps and stuff like that. You can use book pages, use whatever you have, ribbon scraps, you know, make embellishments the way you like to make them. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to getting some replies, and I'll see you next time. Bye.